Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rice County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nerstrand, or 7 miles east of Faribault, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Kansas
Holy
City.
shit.
Expected hazards include 3-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts.
Destructive severe thunderstorm.
Source: trained spotters reported 3-inch hail near Kansas City. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Ruskin, Nerstrand Bigwood State Park, and Nerstrand. Seek shelter now inside an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. This storm has produced destructive hail and is capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday for a portion of south-central Minnesota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Rice, Minnesota.
Tornado warning. Rice.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rice County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Faribault, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and baseball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Faribault around 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Ruskin and Nerstrand Bigwood State Park. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Rice, Minnesota. The National Weather